So today market's not so green and many tokens go into correction. Everybody waiting that Trump, some news about the tariffs and the Russia sanction in Friday. And I think it will affect the markets more lower. And today I want to talk guys about a VeChain. What's the main targets I'm waiting for the VeChain and why most likely we will see the price a little bit lower. Let's dive in. All right, guys. First of all, on the chart, I'm still don't like we didn't drop inside the 27 block. Of course, it's not necessary, so we should all the time drop inside 27 block. But personally, for me, it will be much better if we will drop because markets built some big expectations about a Fed cut rates firstly in August. Now they still take a pause, and now the people talk 100% or 95%. They will start cut the rate in September, and we have to go to the moon. But guys, I already explained to you, even if they start cut the rate, the crypto don't have to pump like crazy, because they will not print the money. But they will use the stable coin. So it's totally another story. I highly recommend you go and check the big video why this cycle are different. Highly recommend you go and check this video why this cycle is different. So people usually draw the trend lines like support. One touch, second touch, third touch, fake out, bounce. Now this is like a one more time support line. Most likely, guys, we will drop and grab this EQO lows liquidity. So first of all, this is an EQO lows, and I don't like when we leave something like this one, especially on the weekly time frame. So we form the EQO lows, and we can hunt liquidity and drop like 1 cent 73. Personally, for me, it will be much better, drop like this one and not pump from this current prices. Because, for example, if we'll pump like this one, and after that drop on that expectation, because it can be like a hype before September 17 when the Fed will decide to cut rate or not cut rate. The people can bring too much hype in the media, and it can be like by the rumors, sell the facts. And yes, we can pump even to 4 cents and after that drop. So I wish, of course, just this week or the next one, sweep these EQO lows and go higher. So I don't think so we're going to drop to sweep the low of June 2023. Basically, it's not unnecessary. But kind of weird. So we're still not inside the 27 block. So it's kind of a little bit scary. Globally, guys, some, example of fundamental news. So here, solar-wise, the people build in partnership with the VeChain, some real solar panels. But guys, even with this, looks like real utility in real world, it's not affect the price at all. Crazy capitulation is still the 27 block. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop that low this time. I think we can drop that low next bear market. What we can see now monthly, definitely we're gonna test the 4 cents. It's a full fill on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. That's why the 4 cents is like a first trouble area. After that, I'm waiting that 8 cents once again sweep this high of December 24, test 23 by 10 cents 59, and the end of cycle can be like 16 cents. For this stock is 1661 and around 20 cents to sweep a liquidity of November 21. Honestly, I don't think so. The VeChain will hit the new all-time high. Take a look at the metrics now. They share in that Twitter like, oh, take a look, the TVL now 1.35 million. Yes, it's good, but take a look how the TVL is drastically going down. So I have no idea what exactly these people celebrated. So it's kind of weird, how the TVL crashed down in USD since 2021 here, December, TVL was 32 million. Now the TVL 1.35 million. So basically, it's not good. It's not good. On 24-hour on the DAX, it's like a low cap token, 263,000 volume. So basically almost zero interest into this token. What is good now for this token is FDV and the market capitalization actual, but guys, even with at 210.32, the market capitalization and FDV is around 2 billion. It's kind of problem. It's kind of problem, guys. That's why if you expect some crazy gains, better reduce your expectations, because with 20 cents, it's going to be just the kind of big numbers for the VeChain by capitalization. Of course, only the sky is the limit for the VeChain in capitalization, but guys, be real. Let's be real. Based on the heat map liquidations, let's double check. It's 24-hour liquidation. I'm not paying attention now too much for the 24-hour. It's more for the intraday trades, you know, or weekly time frame and a monthly time frame. It's more interested for the liquidation. So I think would be good to drop to 2 cents 16 to liquidate the lows of August, 2nd August. Above, like you can see here, is 2 cents 52 liquidations. The main like a pool for liquidations, stop losses. On the monthly time frame, also main liquidation is higher, but here, this one is under 2 cents, like round number, would be good to see. Grab that liquidity and bounce higher. So it's just my personal opinion, guys. So of course it's not necessary, so we will drop, but it's possible. Just like a quick dump and recover back again. So globally, of course, I don't like the situation when we drop and consolidate. It looks like we can drop again. So guys, be careful. Be careful. But if you believe in VeChain, you know, you can accumulate also by gains, guys. Here, for example, in approximately from that low, even that 20 cents will be like 1,000% gains. 1,000% gains. So don't build a crazy some expectations for these tokens, unfortunately, guys. If we take a look with my customer setup, what's going on now? This is accumulation, and I wish to see the divergence based on ADZ. So here, this is what I wish to see. Basically this one, and I wish to see the drop on ADZ, form divergence, confirm divergence, and sweep that accurate lows. So this is what I would like to see. Based on direction, yes, the whales accumulate step by step, but the whales accumulate. So it's good. It's good. It's good. Monster time frame, guys, we're still in accumulation. Still in accumulation since basically main one low, August 23. So I believe VeChain will perform again, you know, and we didn't see that top of the top on a monster time frame. Even on the weekly, we didn't see that sell-off. The main sell-off was here. Like this one, we have to track on the direction indicator to start out of the VeChain aggressively. So now it's more bullish signals than bearish, but anyway, I wish to see the drop. Take a look at the weekly time frame market mode, guys. This one, this is a disbelief. So basically, every single time when we see the disbelief or capitulation on the markets, based on market mode indicator, it's good time for accumulation. Now daily, this is what I would like to see. I would like to see the sweep of this actual lows, you know, and drop to capitulation zone again. So I wish to see something like this sweep and go higher. This liquidity pool. But of course, guys, it's just my opinion. Daily time frame, now it's a positive, so this is not a free, it's just a positive. Take a look at the money power, guys. On the daily, here was a money outflow, fixation at the top on a daily. Here's a step-by-step the money inflow. So I wish to see something similar 3 days in, not in a row, but day after day. Inflow, and after that, reversal move. Also, I wish to see the money inflow like it was here in June and August 24. Money inflow. Now we over the middle line. That's why I wish to see something like this one and the money inflow into VeChain. Monster time frame globally, also we around the bottom. So this is not a total madness where we need to sell off all VeChain tokens. Globally, I'm waiting the higher price targets. Trade on, guys. Buyback was in November 24. Now nothing on a monthly. Weekly time frame 1 to 3 buybacks was daily. Here, what I wish to see. I wish to see that this is a sell. I wish to see the take profit from sell. Here's a sell, money back, So this is what I would like to see, and would be good to see this sweep, money back, and go higher. So this is what type of price action I would like to see. Last indicator, guys, take profit. One more time, the buy line, it's 1 cent 65. Buy line on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame, test the buy line, it's 2 cents 10. So up to your own risk, guys. Logical entry. One more time, test the buy line here. More risky, but logical. And the fundamental value, it's 1 cent 56. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 1 cent 56. But this one, 1 cent 65, it's more than real to see. 12-hour time frame, a little bit higher. So 1 cent 57. So I wish to see something around here, 18, 17, 18. So I mean 1 cent 77, for example, for the VeChain. So I highly recommend you use the set, use the reply bar, scroll it back and double check how this buy line playing out on the history, especially on the weekly time frame. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about VeChain? If you would like to trade with my customer success, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.